Hi everyone, my name is Madison Scanlon, and I'm really excited for you to learn more about who I am. I was born on November 9th and am 25 years old. While I might have been born in New Jersey, I have always lived in Sloatsburg, New York. Since I was little, I've wanted to be a teacher or a Disney princess, which is why I have this picture right here of me in Disney World, actually in October of 2018, which is also when this picture was taken in 2018 when my family opened up a cafe called the Village Blend, which is located in our village. This is my grandma, this is my mom, and that's me. Three generations, and we started it because we loved to bake. I actually, since I have such nice handwriting, I do a lot of the piping and the icing and decorations on the cakes or cupcakes that we do. So that's really fun. I am very into sports and have always swam or played softball since I think I was in second grade. And you'll see in a little bit that I have also continued my love for that. After high school, I graduated and went to Towson University, where I graduated in 2018, a big year for me, with a dual major in elementary ed and special education. I am now in my graduate studies at the University of Oneonta in educational technology, which I'm really looking forward to, especially with the growth of technology. What we're all here for, our passion, teaching. So I told you that I have continued something that I loved when I was younger, and that is swimming. I am a swim coach. So since I came back from college, I started coaching or rather for my old swim team. So I now coach the kids that were me when they were starting, which is, full circle. This year, I started coaching basketball. And if you noticed, I didn't have basketball on my list. That's because I've never played basketball. And this year is actually full of a lot of firsts for me. All these photos, rather, were taken this year and they are in my new school. I taught since 2019 of January in the Bronx all the way up until this past year, teaching sixth grade everything. However, this year I now received a job 15 minutes away from my house in Tuxedo, New York, where I now teach fifth, sixth, and seventh grade math. And I love it. Here's, selfies, me doing mean, median, and mode activity using Skittles, getting them excited. Me with one of my students, and me on May the 4th with one of my coworkers. I don't coach soccer, but here I am at the faculty soccer game with the students, which was really fun and a nice way to acclimate myself to a new school. I believe that all students have the capability of success. Sometimes we all just need a little advocate to point us in the right direction, and I like to be that advocate for people of all ages. The things I can't really live without are my family. And I know there's a lot of other things I could talk about, like my friends and food and water, but all in all, family above everything for me. So here's my mom, my dad, and my brother this year in Arizona. Here is my brother and I at his senior prom. He is my younger brother. Here we are. He is a baseball player at the University of Oregon. So we went out to see him. These are my cousins that came and my aunts. This is my grandma, as you saw earlier. This actually is really cool. This is my cousin. She's my first cousin, basically my sister, and I actually teach at the school she goes to. So she was new student there last year because of the pandemic, and now I'm a new teacher there this year, and it's really cool because we get to experience it together. And last but not least, my fur babies. Unfortunately, this March, I had to say goodbye to my friend Reese after 5 lovely years. He was a guinea pig, but he was more than that. And then my lovely pup, he is going to be 16 this July. And I don't think I would be able to live without him. He's my best friend. He's hanging out with me now as I'm recording this, and his name is Major. I know I am running out of time, but here are a couple hobbies that I have. I love to go biking. I love art. I love taking photos. I like shopping. I like exploring and going on hikes. And most importantly, I love to travel. This year on my bucket list, I said to myself I wanted to go to 3 new states by the end of the year. And I've actually already accomplished it almost by going to 2 states, New Hampshire and Seattle, Washington. So I guess the state would be Washington. And to close out, I just wanted to put one of my favorite quotes, which is everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. John Lennon. I hope you enjoyed learning about me and I look forward to this semester together.